Ever dreamt of turning your passion project into a full-fledged business? Maybe you're a whiz at crafting unique jewelry or have a knack for sourcing the trendiest vintage finds. The world of e-commerce has made starting an online store easier than ever. But what if you also crave that in-person customer connection? This is where things can get a little confusing. You hear about Shopify, a popular platform for creating online stores. But then there's Shopify POS. Are they the same thing? Well, buckle up because we're diving deep to understand the key differences between Shopify and Shopify POS. Shopify, your e-commerce haven. Imagine a bustling online marketplace. That's essentially what Shopify offers. It's a comprehensive platform designed to empower anyone to build a beautiful and functional online store. Here's what you can expect with Shopify. Store creation. Shopify provides a user-friendly interface with a variety of customizable themes to create your dream online storefront. No coding knowledge required. Product management. Add high-quality product photos, descriptions, and manage your inventory seamlessly. Payment processing. Integrate secure payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal to accept online transactions. Marketing tools. Leverage built-in marketing features to reach new customers and promote your products. Analytics and reporting. Gain valuable insights into your online sales performance through detailed reports and analytics. In short, Shopify equips you with everything you need to launch and manage a thriving online business. Shopify POS. Bridging the online-offline divide. Now let's talk Shopify POS. Here's where things get interesting. Shopify POS isn't a separate platform. Think of it as an extension of Shopify specifically designed for in-person selling. It's essentially a point-of-sale, POS, system that transforms your tablet or smartphone into a powerful sales tool. Here's what makes Shopify POS stand out. Sell anywhere. Process sales at your brick-and-mortar store, pop-up shops, or even farmers markets, all with the convenient Shopify POS app. Inventory management. Maintain real-time inventory levels across your online store and physical locations. No more worrying about overselling or stockouts. Customer management. Store customer information securely and offer loyalty programs to keep them coming back for more. Seamless integration. Shopify POS seamlessly syncs with your Shopify store, ensuring your product data, customer information, and inventory levels are always up to date. Offline functionality. Don't worry about internet connectivity issues. Shopify POS allows you to process sales even when offline, with data syncing automatically once you're back online. So which one do you need? The answer depends on your business model. If you solely focus on online sales, then Shopify provides all the tools you need. But if you have a physical storefront or plan on venturing into in-person selling, Shopify POS becomes an essential companion. Here's a quick breakdown. For online stores, choose Shopify. For brick-and-mortar stores with online presence, choose Shopify plus Shopify POS. The beauty lies in their seamless integration. Manage your entire business, online and offline, from a single platform, saving you time and effort. Beyond the basics, we've covered the core functionalities, but both Shopify and Shopify POS offer additional features to consider. Shopify apps. Explore a vast library of apps on the Shopify App Store to customize your online store and extend its functionalities. Shopify hardware. Shopify offers a range of hardware solutions specifically designed to work with Shopify POS, like card readers and receipt printers. Shopify empowers you to establish a flourishing online presence, while Shopify POS bridges the gap, allowing you to bring your products to the physical world. Whether you choose one or both, Shopify offers a robust ecosystem to streamline your sales process and fuel your entrepreneurial journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.